Okay, we're going to work on activity 10-4, installing the AD RMS role. And we are already logged on to server 3 here. So the first step is to go up to the top here in Server Manager and click Manage, Add Rules and Features, and then Role-Based, and then Local Server, and then Active Directory Federation Services. Actually, it says we're doing rights management. Okay, Federation Services was the server 2 one. Okay. Getting ahead of myself by clicking onto those things. Alright, and we just wait for it to install. Alright, and now that that is complete, we'll click close, go up to the top here, and on this flag, click on that, and then perform additional configurations. And then click Next. And we're going to create a new root cluster, and then Next. And then we're going to use the internal Windows database on this server. And then I believe service account. Let me check what it said for that. Okay. Yeah, that's the user we created a couple of activities ago. Let's see. Well, I gotta troubleshoot that, so I'll pause the recording for a minute. It must have just been I was typing it wrong, because when I went to rename the account and use the @412dom1.local, it's accepting it now. Alright, so then what was next? Cryptographic mode, select mode 2, which is default, click Next. Cluster key storage window, use AD RMS centrally managed storage key, which is what it's on. Click Next. And then the password, using the standard password. And clicking Next. Okay, so click Next. And then in the cluster address, we're going to accept to use SSL encrypted. And then for the fully qualified domain name, we're going to type in 412 server 3 dot 412dom1.local. And then click Next. this one, and then we click next. I want to type 412 DOM1 in the name box here. And then we're going to click next. I'm going to go ahead and click next because we are on the register the SPC now. We're on the confirmation window. We're going to click install. Okay. I'll come back to that in just a second. Alrighty. Go through the steps one more time. And next. And then install. Alright. Click close on that. And then the last step is to log out. Then it says to log back in as administrator. So I can log in as the domain administrator. But I don't get why it's saying that the regular administrator account. Check on that. Well, we were supposed to be able to check to see if we have access to Active Directory rights management services, but I'm sure as the domain administrator we're going to have access to that on here. Well, that'll conclude the activity, and I'll get this edited and posted.